Hi guys, welcome to new video. So let's start. If someone grab you from back tightly, then how to apply the technique? Well, you have to use your common sense. If the person is pushing you backwards, from here you have to jerk your legs back with full force and keep them between his legs like this. If he is pushing you forward, you have to use his force to throw down him forward. If he is pulling you backward, then you have to throw down him back. Suppose our second man is pushing forward. So first you have to jerk to take your leg backward. His body thrust is forward. If I throw him backward, he will not fall. So I will throw him forward and punch on face. So once we show you the technique quickly. So guys, if you like the video, then press the like button and subscribe our channel and share our video. When you share the video, it gives us motivation and we try to create a new and unique techniques for you. Thank you guys.